Hello children, today we are going to see the different tasks referred as agricultural practices carried out by the farmers during crop production. First we will list out the task. First the farmers do is preparation of soil, then goes for sowing the seeds, then adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. These are the several tasks farmers carried out during the production of any crop. So first we take preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. Hi children, I am back again with the preparation of soil. Now the preparation of soil is the most important task in agricultural practice, and one of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn and loosen the soil. Why? Because on turning the soil, what happens? The nutrients in the lower layers of soil comes up, and by loosening the soil, it allows the roots of the trees to penetrate deep properly and breathe properly. Why is it said roots can breathe properly? Because when you loosen the soil, it allows the microbes, worms to grow properly, which are already present in the soil. These organisms are friends of the farmer since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Humus is nothing but it's the nutrients present in the soil, and these nutrients, how they come into the soil? It is because of the dead organisms, dead leaves and other dead living organisms that settle down on the ground and they get buried in the soil, and by the decomposition of other dead organisms, humus is created, right? And this humus is very much important for the plants for their growth. We have already learned in the previous class that soil contains minerals, and minerals nothing, the other word of minerals is humus. Then it contains water, air, right? So these nutrients are again absorbed by plants if the loosening of the soil is done properly, so the roots breathe properly. We know that soil contains minerals, water and air. In addition to this, it also contains dead animals and plants which get further decomposed and gets converted to nutrients for the plants. And these nutrients, minerals, water and air is again absorbed by the plant and it uses it for growth as well as food preparation. Since only a few centimeters of the top layer of soil supports plant growth, turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can grow properly using these nutrients. So we have got a term which is tilling or ploughing. At the end of preparation of soil, we have come across one important word, that is tilling or plough. Tilling or ploughing means nothing but turning and loosening of soil. Okay? Now for tilling or loosening the soil, or you can say for the preparation of soil, we require few implements, right? So now we are going to study about those implements, and these implements are called agricultural implements. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil lumps to get better fit, and this is done with the help of various tools. And the main tools used for this purpose are the plough, hoe and cultivator. Here you can see in the book the picture of a farmer ploughing the field, and the implement which you can see in the picture is called plough. Okay? Now another picture you can see it's a hoe, right? Then you can see nowadays what the farmer use to cultivate their field. It's called cultivator, and in this cultivator the farmer uses tractor along with a multiple teeth plow. There are several teeth attached to one rod and it is connected to the tractor. The tractor moves ahead in the farm and the tilling of the soil takes place by the cultivator attached at its back. By using cultivator, the tilling of the field becomes faster and the work becomes easier for the farmer. In a day, a farmer can till this type of fields, a number of this type of fields, 2-3 fields in a day. But if we see in the previous picture, if a farmer uses single teeth plow, then it is difficult for a farmer to plow 2-3 fields in a day. He takes 1 or 2 days to complete his tilling work of his field. Okay?